about it, but
How's your son, though? He's old. He's getting old
my
now.
son is he's 5 now. He's a good, boys are crazy. This was wild. When he was 4, I was wrestling around with him once on my chest, and the action just kind of slowed down, and kids just do this. He just looked at me, and I didn't know what was happening, but he sneezed right in my mouth, and I threw up on him immediately, like right away. It was like bang, bang. That's how fast it happened. But the reason I tell you this is my wife got mad at me for throwing up on him. She was like, how could you, that's your own flesh and blood. Why would you throw up? She said, why would I throw up?